Hi, this is Kevin with KGM Jam, owner Pro Advertisers Club, a totally free site to advertise. Go to ProAdvertisersClub.com and join for free today and start advertising for free today. Okay, things are getting really rough out there. Everything's been dropping, and Splinterlands has not been excluded from that. But I'm going to show you why I'm going in the right direction, and I can prove it. Uh, this $10,000 challenge is my personal thing. I'm not a financial advisor. Listen to me at your own risk. This is for entertainment purposes only. And it has nothing to do with Splinterlands themselves. They don't even know I'm doing this unless they've seen one of my videos. And this is totally on me. But here's the rules I'm going by. I got 1 year to do it. I'm on day 54. I've got a total investment personally of 378. Now, most of that's coming from my packs. And I bought another pack today. And I'm doing that every day for the video. Buying a pack can speed things up if you get a good card. But if you don't, then it can actually have the opposite effect. And that's because of the PowerPoints right here. And the last time I checked, I couldn't tell you what this number was, but it's always going up, which means I'm buying and selling and doing the right thing as far as making my pack more valuable and more powerful. Okay. But now this is the value, and this goes up and down depending on what the card values are. And like everything else, they've come down over the past month. In fact, when I joined is when it started to come down. So I timed that perfectly. But this is what that means. That means I'm getting these cards at a discount when I do invest in them. And well, I'll show you how I'm doing that without it. But I could do a lot better number wise if I didn't do the $4 a day. It would make this look a little bit better. But I think it's working because I've got this number going up and up. And so let's go do the fun stuff. We're going to get the daily quest. I got that done. And you get a reward out of this chest. Let's see what it is. And you get that every day. Now, the higher rating you got, the better of a prize you can get. And so you want to do that every day. That will help build your asset value. And I got credits. And that will go into my credit pile up here. And now let's go open the pack. Sometimes you get potions, but I did not. Now, the reason I have 2 packs in here is because when I went to use PayPal, I had to put in a minimum of $10. And excuse me. So I went ahead and bought the $10, and I bought 2 packs, and that left me over $2,000. Now I'm going to go ahead and invest that $2 in gold cards, but I'm going to add that total because that's out of my pocket. So that will be added for tomorrow's numbers. Okay. And I hope I'm not confusing you here. I also found out that you can accumulate dark energy crystals and buy credits to buy packs. And I had bought and sold, and I had about 1,400 DCs. So I bought a pack and got 2 rare, nothing spectacular. But that doesn't come out of my pocket. That's money I earned from buying, selling, and renting and playing the game. And I'll explain that a little bit more later too. But like I said, I have no potions for today. You get those in chests right now. So let me open up my 1 pack here. And you get 5 cards in a pack, and you're guaranteed at least a rare. And this will also bring, if you don't get a good pack, it also brings your power number down because that goes by what cards you have. Now, by highlighting this, you can see, okay, I got a rare right there. I found that out. You can find out what kind you're getting before. Or no, that's not true. There's a gold card right there, so that's not true. Okay, now that's but it's a common. So it doesn't tell you whether it's a gold or not, but I'll take that. That is a nice turn. Okay, that's a common. common, and I use him a lot, and I'm building him up. And this is my rare. Okay, so I'll combine them too. So what I take these cards do now is I go and I combine them and burn them and make more powerful and valuable cards. And by doing that, these are NFTs. It cuts down on the circulation. And that's another way that your cards can become more valuable over time. So anyway, there's the fun stuff. So now let's talk about the money side of it real quick. I came over here because of the affiliate program. I'm an affiliate marketer. And I got one guy who actually bought the spell book. Everybody else is just, you can come and play for free. And but I get 5% of all his purchases for the rest of my life type thing. So you can come do the same thing. So that's one way you can make money. The other one is making DEC. You do that 3 different ways that I know of. There might be more. I just maybe have not taken advantage of it yet. And that the one is buying and selling cards. The second one is winning them in the chest here. And then the third way is by battling. You can win it. Now, they have 2 seasons a month. And there's only 4 days left in this one. And depending on your rating is how many chests you get. So at the end of each season, I can win a lot more stuff. So the higher you want to be. I've never gotten to silver yet. I got close yesterday, and it beat me back down to bronze 2. So I still got to go to bronze 1, and then I'll go to silver 3. I'm working on it. This morning was rough. My life is not. Cards aren't doing too good in battle for some reason. So let's go now to this called SPS, Splinter. And what they're doing right now is, depending on what this number is here, which I just 77,798. Let me go fill that in. 77,000. 7,000. What was it? 928, did I say? 798. See how that went up? 798. So that means I'm going in the right direction. This would even be better if I hadn't bought that pack with my SPS or my DEC yesterday from the cards I sold, because I did and I didn't get nothing good. It brought the number down actually. So it is what it is with the cards. It's a little bit of a gamble, but they're fun to open. So I'm going to buy 1 pack a day. I might be better off not doing so. But anyway, so they take this number, and right now, depending on what that number is, they give you free SPS. There's an airdrop every day for another 150 days roughly. And you claim that. I'm getting 6.61, and they're 12 cents a piece. They were a quarter when I started playing. And I'm making a video every day for a whole year that I can. I might skip a day here or there, but it's going to be a very transparent way of whether I succeed or not of getting up to 10,000. And you can see how I do it or what I did wrong and save you from making the same mistakes. Okay, so it's totaling up. And I've already done this several times, but this is my stake and rewards, which is another way to make even more than what you're making. And that adds up over time. And it's getting a 31.15% APR right now. So I'm going to go ahead and stake what I won today. It's a free drop. I've gotten all this. These right here, they just give it to you. And they're going to do it for another 150 days. So there's really 2 reasons to get into this. Is one, the prices are at the lowest they've ever been because everything's down. And they're giving away these free airdrops. This coin could be, $1, $10 one day. And so right now I've gotten, 40 free bucks. And I add that into my total. Now this was down to 11 this morning. It went up to 12. And it was at a quarter when I joined. So here's another 2-3 ways that you're going to make money. The other ways on the market. And the learning the market and buying and selling has really helped me. It allows you to get rid of the cards that you're not using into the strategy that for the cards you do want. And gold is king. Um, there's other ways to make more powerful cards to get more money off of them when you rent them out. But it's like right now, these are the cheapest cards. They're 3 cents a piece, and that's the circulation. There's a whole bunch of them, but as time goes on, people are buying them and burning them, and it takes like for these, it takes like 400 cards to max it out. So we got 400,000 plus people playing every day. 3 to 5,000 are joining up a day. So these cards are only going to get more valuable. Let's go look at what the most valuable cards are that have been here the longest. And remember, they were getting these cards for like, a nickel, 50 cents, whatever they paid. And you can see the longer they've been around. This one's 19. This is the floor price. There's only 83 left. And that's down from a floor price of 55. I think, because everything else is down, they might be trying to get rid of them, but nobody's even selling, as you can see. There's only 3 people selling this one. So these cards are going to get valuable on you. Okay, let's look at the gold, see what the most valuable one that is. And I show it every day to show you the fluctuation. And it's going to do it or not. It's running really slow today. There we go. Okay. And let's go all the way to the bottom because that will be the most expensive. And here we go. The most valuable gold as of right now is this guy for $600,000, and there's only 25 of them. So yeah, gold is, you want to collect and keep your gold. If you don't use them, just rent them out. If you don't rent them out, renting them out is the best thing to do. See, right now I get 326 DEC a day from renting out. And this is Peak Monsters, and you get to it through right here on the market. And this is even going to go higher towards the end of the season. And then it gets real low again at the beginning of the season as everybody wants to rent the cards they need to get to the next level. And by the end of the season here in 4 days, I'll probably be making 500 to 1,000 DEC a day. And then I use that, reinvest it, and get more cards, and that's going to increase my asset value, especially when the prices go up. That's when you're going to really see some results and all that. So anyway, that's it for today. I'll have another one tomorrow. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day.